Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to Backspace. In this creative Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to make a full page picture watermark in a Word for certificates, letterheads, reports, posters, business documents and stylish page design. A picture watermark adds a professional background image across the entire page while keeping your text readable and clean. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document and we can see here assignment for my college. Now I want to add the full page watermark. Here go to the design menu, click the watermark drop down menu and choose custom. You can make it picture, text or another. Now I make text. Here we can see here many size. Now I make auto. Then we can see the size is too small. Now I make the picture watermark fit to the page. Go to the home menu, double click on the header, then click the watermark and resize its size. Then close header and footer. Now we can see we make the watermark full page very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.